Alright, today we're with the Texas chick, sister to the Texas kid, and we're going to be running a 3-gun drill. First she's starting off with a Colt LE6940 Magnum, which she has never shot. Naturally all 3 of these will be her first time. Then she's going to switch to the Glock 45 ACP, the Glock 21, and then from there we're going with the Colt LE6940 223. All 3 of these guns will be a first time for her, and we're going to see how many Diet Colas you can take out. Whenever you're ready, Texas chick. Oh yeah. Oh. Bam, vaporized. Alright, making a switch here. Kyle, put that one up. Boom. All right, you're out on that one. Take your time. Is she hitting low or high, Kyle?
Low.
Okay, you just gotta kind of adjust in.
Right to the left.
Oh yeah, man. You hit them, they splatter. Nice try.
Right to the left.
Oh, she got it now. If she only had more ammo. Well, good run there, Texas chick. First time on all 3 guns. How many did she get? Did you count them?
She got like 5.
We'll figure that one out. We're going to see if the Texas kid can outdo her. Be back in a few.